There's another NYC quarantine vlog. I'm not feeling my best. The boy is getting ready for a Zoom call. TV is on loud as hell, per usual. I want to do a style video, so I'm going to pull some looks. So let's pull some looks. I've already done my makeup. I kept it really simple and basic. I know I say that a lot, but for this particular shoot, I'm shooting a little bangle, and I don't want anything to take away from that. It's very dainty and simple, but also I have to shoot a monologue today. I'm trying to get it in today, and I wanted my makeup, you know, really simple for that too, because this one needs to be all like glam for audition type of stuff. It's been a crazy day, but we're about to shoot. We already have everything set up, the backdrop we're gonna use, the lights, etc. So gonna bang this out, take a mini break, and then maybe shoot my monologue later. I don't know, we'll see how I feel.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people
Catching up on Jaws of Sunset, Friday night, and the boy is here practicing his keyboard. He has it really nicely set up. Here's his laptop. The keyboard is right here. Oh, there you are. Close that, but look at how beautiful the sky looks. Oh my gosh. Wonderful. I didn't even hit record and I was talking. This is my third clip and I don't even know if the other two were recorded. I should probably check that. Hold on one second. Okay, good. Yeah, the other two clips were recording. I'm such a hot mess right now. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, my idea for this whole separate type of vlog style video is not working out, and that's okay because it happens, and I think we're all doing, you know, what we can, taking it day by day during this time. My throat still hurts and it really sucks that I can't taste anything, so I won't be able to taste this deliciousness.
perfect. Hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait. Silhouette looking cinematic. Yeah, I bet you wish you had this. Bless me up.
Here we are. These just need to cool. I had some leftover cake batter, so I put it in this little, what do you call this? Loaf pan. Clearly it didn't fill it up. I feel like maybe I should have just put everything in here and made like a chocolate loaf, but whatever. I wanted to do cupcakes. I'm gonna let this cool for like 10 minutes and then I'll remove them from here and then start icing them. Yay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited, like I'm gonna eat this. I'm not gonna be able to taste it, but I'm still gonna eat it. Okay guys, figured I'd pop in here and do a little VO for this section. You're going to take your aluminum foil and you're going to cut it up into a rectangular shape so that it wraps around your finger like so. Cut around 10 to 15 so you have extras just in case, like if you mess up or anything. Chop up your garlic. It's a rough chop. You're going to add your oil. This calls for vitamin E oil, but I didn't have any, so I'm using almond oil, which is totally fine because the scent really helps with the smell of garlic. And you're going to take this and rub it on your nails. You want to take those pieces and really rub it in. What I like to do is take a piece of garlic, leave it on top of my nail, and then wrap the foil around it. If you have those plastic clips that are used in the nail salons to remove a gel polish, this would be awesome for that so that the foil doesn't move. You're gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, wash your hands and paint your nails. Do this once a week and you will see your nails grow and they will be much stronger because garlic contains the mineral selenium. This is also going to help keep your nail bed healthy. I did this back in October and then I got lazy, but I love this thing. Vlogging today super late, but I'm about to wash my hair. I've been using a mix of like Rizos Curls and Novex that I have here, and of course some like Cantu and a bunch of like other products that I've been loving. I've had this sample pack from Rizos Curls for a little bit. It was in the goodie bag from my friend's event and I've never tried it. This comes with the hydrating shampoo, the deep conditioner, and the curl defining cream. I've been wanting to try this, and what better time now? This is like the perfect size. This should be enough for at least 2, maybe 3 washes. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. How to take care of your hair during this time. I'm not like one of those crazy people that are like, I'm gonna cut my hair. I'm definitely not gonna do that. I'm not gonna act like I know what I'm doing when I don't. But washing my hair and sticking with my like routine and hair care and all that stuff is just one of the things that you can do to, you know, help yourself feel better. I also have, I think here I may have like a mask or something. I always like to do a deep conditioner, like some type of treatment that's a cleanser on my hair, and I want to try something that I haven't done yet. Okay, that is, oh, I think it's this one. I think it's the Palmer's 2-step hair mask. Yes, I think I'm gonna try this today. I've been wanting to try this as well. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do Rizos Curls to wash, right? Wash our hair with this bad boy, and then we're gonna do the 2-step coconut cleanser, coconut oil. Happy Wednesday, peeps. No, it's not Wednesday. Happy Thursday. It's Thursday. I got new glasses. What do you think? They're so cute. These are from I Buy Direct. They are progressives. The prescription is much stronger and it's gonna take me a minute to get used to them. Hold on, I gotta change my battery. And we're back. Okay, yeah, so I had gotten my eyes checked last year and the only thing that I updated was my contacts, and I know it's really bad to have a new prescription in contacts and so are the old glasses, but I just knew since I technically needed bifocals that it would be really expensive, and I was like, oh, I could get it cheaper online, and then I just never really got it online, and I finally did. So that's my spiel. But yeah, it's gonna take me some time to get used to these, like I said, because they are progressives, but I always wanted something just kind of simple and a metal frame, and later on I'll get myself like a second pair because I always like to have, you know, like a backup, and with those I'll get like a little more funky. Yeah. Anyway, the boy is playing a video game, so if you hear some ruckus, that's him. But also, something's going on in the apartment next to me, like the opposite side of this wall right now, that I don't know what the hell's going on, but it's been happening since yesterday. And it was just a hassle to do a self-tape today because all you heard was like drilling and banging, and I don't know what's going on over there. You would think that they would warn the surrounding apartments that there's going to be something going on, but no. Yesterday I was on the phone and I just heard this banging. It was so loud that the mirror right here was shaking, and I was like, what the hell is going on? Whatever, I got the self-tape done. The boy is going to help me edit it because we had to film, we had to do the audio separate because it was noise and we didn't want it to be too loud, so hopefully that sounds good. I have no idea. I haven't even I haven't even looked at it. Excuse the mess. But if I don't know which products are gonna go, like, you know, work well together, I'll leave them out so that I know what I used. This foundation I love. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. It's very lightweight and it's buildable. Love it. This concealer, also really, really good. This is the Infallible Full Wear. However, it did not mix well with this Milani Prime Shield. I've used this before and I liked it, but I don't think these two go together. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up really quickly. By the way, I love this hanger because you can put multiple pairs of like whatever you want on here. So I use these for like my slacks and dress pants and, you know, things like that. So I got some stuff in that I want to show you guys. Nothing major, but I'm excited about them. I have to do laundry and I'm not looking forward to it. Hello, you still playing your game? I got my CLA. I've been using the Sports Research CLA for a while. So this one is 95% CLA. I don't know if that's what I had before. I actually can't remember. I have a feeling this one's just a little bit more potent, but I do like this guy. Almost done with the notebook that I'm using for the Artist's Way. So I found this one on Amazon. I'm not a pink person, so obviously I'm not a fan of the pink, but it was cheap and it has a lot of pages and it's smaller than my other notebook, which honestly, it's a lot to write 3 pages in that book every single morning, and it would take me 45 minutes to an hour, and I was like, I should have bought a smaller notebook for this. So this is for the Artist's Way. The earring that I had up here on my helix piercing, I had to take off when I was having like all those back issues back in like late November, December I think it was, whenever I went to emergency care and I had to do x-rays, and I took the earring off and lost it basically. And I can't tell you how many times I bought earrings for this piercing and have lost it. I've had a barbell in there that I bought twice from Piercing Pagoda. I just keep losing it. The last time I lost it was on the set of Orange, and I didn't lose it. I knew exactly where I put it and I just forgot it at the end of the day. And then I emailed production and they claimed they went to the dressing room and they didn't find it. So that's the story behind that one. Anyway, if you can support a small business during this time, I recommend it. So I found this store in Etsy. It's called The Claire Story, and I got this very cute little tiny crescent moon. I can't wait to wear it. It's gonna go right up here and you're gonna see the little moon here, or I hope you see the little moon there. I don't really know. Oh, and one more, masks from my aunt that she made. We have a red one right here, and then this one is floral print, and this has inserts so we could put like a little filter or whatever. I gotta put my bike back. We always take my bike down when we do self-tapes and we never put it back. So let me do that real quick. Oh, that's so cute! I got it in. I got it in, I got it in, I got it in. Good thing I don't have nails, because long nails with trying to screw this little ball on would be impossible. That white hair, what are you doing? Go away. It's right here, it looks so cute. Got it in. How adorable is that? It looks perfect right in there. Oh my god. That is so freaking cute. I love it. Before I forget, I totally forgot to update you guys on my thoughts on Rizos Curls. Today is not a very good representation of the curls because this is like day, I don't know, when did I wash my hair? Earlier in the vlog. I think it'll be like a week soon. But anyway, I let it air dry completely, which is my preference, but I admit like the last few months I was like air drying for 20 to 30 minutes and then diffusing, and when you diffuse you just have more shrinkage, your curls are just tighter, etc. But I'm an air drying type of person. I will say, and take out of this top knot, again, like I said, my hair is a mess. I haven't refreshed it or anything. I had it pulled back for the self-tape, but I will say that the curls were super soft, super defined. Again, don't go by what it looks like right now because it's kind of not looking its best, but I did like the samples enough to purchase. I haven't bought them yet, but I'm just saying that like I would buy the full bottles of Rizos Curls. I really like the curl defining cream. Creams and lotions work better on my hair if they're more lightweight. Anything that's too thick just kind of sits on my hair, doesn't really get absorbed. I have medium to low porosity hair, and some products just tend to really build up very easily and quickly on me, so I like lighter stuff. I did that and a little bit of my Tresemme mousse, and I was good to go, and I let it air dry and everything looked really good. I forgot to update you guys on that, so I just wanted to let you know that really quickly. But I do like it, and I would definitely purchase it. So give it a try. I've never used that brand before, so let me know in the comments if you have.
Here.
Okay. Yes. Food is here, time to eat. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone is staying safe. I hope you and your families are healthy. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you join this YouTube family. And I see that a lot of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, which is like cool. Thank you for watching, but hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm telling you, a few months without an earring, and I don't know how to do this. What is wrong with me? It's right there. It is right there, Heva. Get it in. Wow, this is really taking a minute. I can't believe I'm freaking struggling to put this on. This is taking forever. This is ridiculous. Like, oh my god. Why am I struggling to put on the freaking back of a little barbell thing? Like, what is wrong with me? Thing. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Is it nice and tight? This is gonna hurt. Yes! If you need something to watch, I'll link some videos over here. Or is it over here? I don't even know. But there's gonna be something on the screen for you to click on that you can watch. Bye.